Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you want to have the most epic water balloon fight, then I highly suggest getting these reusable water balloons from HILIOP. These things are awesome. So what's so special about these reusable water balloons? Well, all those things you hate about water balloon fights, picking up the little pieces, filling them up, tying them, that is all gone when you use these reusable water balloons. These are made of a nice, soft, squishy silicone material. They also have magnets around the inside, so once they start filling up in the bucket, they kind of automatically self-seal and the magnets attract together. And then you can just grab them from the bucket and go. I love on these ones specifically that the magnets are covered up. So you can have a nice big water balloon fight with these, or you can just grab a couple of them, toss them around, throw them, see who can throw the farthest, and they automatically open and splash on impact. This set not only has a variety of colors, but they all individually have a fun space design too. My son loves space, so this was perfect for him. These reusable balloons from HILIOP are such a fun time for kids and adults, and they're a quick way to cool down in the summertime. And that's just my point of view.